Hello and welcome back guys to 911 Scales. Today we're looking at another 143 scale model car which just came out. It's actually the very first 992 Targa model car, and this here really is a special one because it's a 992 911 Targa 4S Heritage Design Edition. So this one got quite a lot of attention when it was first revealed, especially for this amazing color. This being a car which was developed by Porsche's exclusive manufacturer. It has a bespoke interior and many lovely details. Also this heritage livery which clearly comes from the Speedster Heritage package, and I think it's a great trend which they have started now, and hopefully it will not be the last car which will have this treatment. The real car is limited to only 992 pieces, so like the 992 911, and then this model car here is made on 143 scale by Mini Champs for Porsche. It also comes with this very nice box which I will show you just in a second, and the car is not limited, but they only made 2,000 pieces so far. So I think they not made a limited edition, so maybe if this car is selling well, which it is, this model is selling very well, so that they can maybe make some more models and sell them, or make them in a different color, I don't know. But so far it's not a limited edition, but only 2,000 pieces. And this one is costing 49 euros as a standard retail price here in Germany. A bit less right now because of the Corona tax cut, but that one is running out by the end of the year. So 49 euros, I think this is a very nice price for such a beautiful model car. And yeah, it reminds me a lot of the 992 Belgian Legends edition I already reviewed. And if you're wondering where you can buy this model, down in the description below there's a Porsche part number and just a little kind of readme where you can buy them. First of all, buy them at your local Porsche dealer or in your country's Porsche online store. If they are not there for sale, then you can, if you're an EU citizen, you can buy them at the Porsche shop in Leipzig. Simply drop them an email to this address, and if all these options are not possible for you, then contact me directly to my email and I will see how I can get this model to you for the standard retail price. And yeah, I think with that it is time to show you this model up close in detail. And here it is, the Heritage Design Edition 911 Targa 4S, the first 992 Targa model. Before I show you the model, I want to show you the box, which I think is very nicely done. If you remember the box of the Belgian Legends edition exclusive 992, these boxes were just kept in grey, a very dark grey, the standard box. This here on the other hand has a very nice box, also in cherry metallic you can call it, and they invented this theme for this Heritage Design Edition, the Heritage Design Icons of Cool. And if we turn it around, we also have the Porsche part number here in gold, and if we turn it around it says to be continued, which I think is very cool. So there will be some more Heritage Design Editions coming out. I'm pretty sure this is what they've started with the exclusive series with the 991.2, and hopefully they will also do it for 911 Turbo S. This specific version of this Heritage Edition is just a regular Targa 4S, so this has the standard front, no design package here, but it has this awesome livery with these white stripes here, the number 50 and this Porsche writing down here in white, which resembles exactly the same livery as on the Speedster Heritage package, which is cool. On the Speedster the wheels were just the GT3 wheels and the concept has these amazing wheels, and the 992 got these wheels, so this one has the better wheel option, which looks just awesome. I think now resembles the Speedster Heritage Edition concept car, obviously this one being a Targa. We have a silver Targa bar here on top of the model, which looks really cool. Then something we can see here on the side, which is not that well done, I think, are the brake disc. These look a bit cheaply made by Mini Champs, but otherwise the model is really nicely done. And a great configuration feature, I would say, is that the brake calipers are actually in black and not red or yellow. That would have clashed a lot with the cherry metallic paint. This in black looks really nice, and yeah, these wheels look just so damn awesome. And details on the model are kept in gold. So for the first time ever, we have this Porsche writing here in the rear light bar, which is actually sculptured on a real car. Still does not look that good on the Mini Champs model, but it is made in gold. The 911 Targa 4S is in gold. The standard exhaust is here equipped, which is kept in black. And for the real car, the Sports exhaust is obviously an option. I think many people will equip that one. And also this car gets a Porsche exclusive Manufaktur number plate, which is also the case on many 991.2 Porsche exclusive model cars. Actually, I showed you already a Targa in Etna Blue, which is also very stunning to look at, so make sure to check that video out. And then the interior, also a highlight of this model car, which usually Mini Champs is not that good at. Spark does this most of the time better, but here Mini Champs really does a nice job. We can see the indicator stalk, the steering wheel is very nicely done. Also all in red. This one is equipped with the presentation spec, so we have the lower part of the interior in this beige color theme and the upper part in this red color theme. And then something Mini Champs must have seen my other videos of the 992, or somebody more important has complained, because in all the other 992 models so far we had this hideous PCM screen graphic, and now we have this wonderful Google Maps screenshot of the Porsche Platz, which they also had on their 118 scale 992 models, and this one is really cool. Also this one is equipped with the Sport Chrono package, which we have here on top, and then we have all the buttons down here, which is really a wonderful addition to the model, and you can really see every single button, which is really nicely done. In the instrument cluster we can see that the rev counter has also this greenish instrument cluster from the Heritage package from the Speedster, so this really is now a theme. I think it's a great thing that Porsche exclusive is doing that. Other details in the interior, here you can see them are in silver, like this door opener here, or the stripe here in the dash. Then the seats are also nicely done, so we have a Porsche crest in the headrest, we have the specific surface of the leather in the seats on the inserts, which looks really nice, and yeah, you can even see that in the rear bench there, which is awesome. So yeah, personally I think it is a really stunning model, and a lot of people seem to agree on social media with me, especially on Instagram. A lot of people bought this one. Points wise, it's getting a 34 out of 50, which is by a lucky coincidence the same score as the Belgian Legends Edition's 992 Carrera 4S, and I think it is a very, very good, respectable score for a new model, which overall is not limited. But I really like the pricing of this one with 49 euros. If you want to see the detailed scoreboard with all the different categories, the link down is as always in the description below. Yeah, and that's it for this one. Make sure to like this video if it is helping you, subscribe to my channel, and check me out on Instagram. That's it for now. Till next time. Allah, ciao.